Cleanliness is next to godliness, they say. But what does that really mean for us in our daily lives? It's not just about having a spotless home. It's about creating a space where you can feel at peace and truly happy. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the smell of a freshly cleaned house? Well, Proverbs 24 verse 4 actually says, "Through wisdom a house is built, and by understanding it is established." This ancient wisdom reminds us that a well-kept home is more than just clean. It's a sanctuary built on love and understanding, and maybe a little bit of elbow grease. Through wisdom a house is built, and by understanding it is established. Close enough, right? When we take the time to care for our homes, we are also caring for ourselves and our loved ones. Plus, it's a great excuse to avoid doing other chores. A clean home is a happy home, even if cleaning itself isn't always a barrel of laughs. But what if we could make it more enjoyable? Imagine turning your cleaning routine into a fun and rewarding activity. Yes, you heard that right, fun. But what if I told you it could be? With a little creativity and the right tools, cleaning can become a joyful part of your day. And it all starts with something as simple as DIY cleaning wipes. Who knew wiping down counters could be so exhilarating? And what if those cleaning wipes you love could be easy on the planet and your wallet? By making your own, you can save money, reduce waste, and still keep your home sparkling clean. It's like being a superhero, but with a mop. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of DIY cleaning wipes. Get ready to transform your cleaning routine into an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and fun experience. Let's make cleaning great again. First things first, grab your supplies. We're diving into a fun and eco-friendly project today. Get ready to save the planet and your wallet. You'll need water, white vinegar, the cleaning superhero, and a few other simple ingredients. No capes required. Next, grab a few drops of your favorite essential oil, because cleaning shouldn't stink. Lavender, lemon, or tea tree oil are great choices. Smells so good, you might actually enjoy cleaning. And don't forget some old cotton t-shirts you're ready to retire from wardrobe duty. These will be the base of our wipes. Time to give those shirts a second chance at life. See? You're practically a recycling rock star already. Repurposing old clothes is a win for you and the planet. Cue the applause. Cut those old shirts into squares. Aim for a size that's easy to handle, like pizza slices. Because who doesn't love pizza? Think pizza slices, but for cleaning. This way, they're the perfect size for tackling any mess. Just don't eat them. Fold them neatly, or don't, we're not judging. The important part is that they're ready to use. Marie Kondo would be proud. Now mix equal parts water and vinegar in a jar. This solution is powerful yet gentle on surfaces. Like a cleaning ninja. Add a splash of essential oil magic. This not only boosts cleaning power but also leaves a pleasant scent. Your nose will thank you. Pour that goodness over your fabric squares. Make sure they're well soaked but not dripping. We want wipes, not a flood. Boom! You've got wipes, baby. Eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and ready to tackle any mess. High five yourself, you did it. These little beauties are like the overachievers of the cleaning world. Not only do they get the job done, but they do it with style and efficiency. Imagine having a cleaning solution that's always ready to go, right at your fingertips. It's like having a cleaning superhero in your pocket. They're reusable, so you can kiss those disposable wipes goodbye. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Think about all the waste you'll be reducing, and the money you'll save by not constantly buying new wipes. Your wallet might even start singing hallelujah. Plus, you control the ingredients, which means no harsh chemicals. You can customize your wipes with natural ingredients and essential oils that are safe for your family and pets. It's like being a mad scientist, but without the crazy hair. And the best part? These wipes are budget-friendly. You can make a large batch at a fraction of the cost of store-bought wipes. It's an economical choice that doesn't compromise on quality. Your bank account will be doing a happy dance. No more last-minute dashes to the store for overpriced cleaning supplies. With DIY cleaning wipes, you always have a reliable cleaning solution on hand, saving you time and stress. Say goodbye to those frantic, "I forgot to buy wipes" moments. You're in control, my friend. You decide what goes into your cleaning products, how they're used, and when they're made. It's a simple, effective way to take charge of your cleaning routine and make a positive impact on the environment. Plus, you'll feel like a cleaning wizard. So there you have it, folks. DIY cleaning wipes that are easy to make, effective, and good for the planet. Give them a try at home and let me know if your dust bunnies start packing their bags. Don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly cleaning tips and tricks. Happy cleaning, everyone! And remember, a clean home is a happy home, unless you're a dust bunny.